In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Google Keep notes by date. Now, while Google Keep doesn't actually have a built-in feature to automatically sort your notes by date, don't worry. We're going to explore some simple and effective methods to help you achieve a similar outcome. So, let's dive right in and get those notes organized. First up, open your Google browser. Most of us live in our browsers and you're probably already logged into your Google account. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all the wonderful apps Google has on offer, including Google Keep. Once you've opened your browser, what you need to do next is locate the Google Apps icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of your screen. It appears as a little grid or a square made up of dots. Give it a click. Now from the list of apps that pops up, look for the vibrant yellow light bulb icon. That's Google Keep. Click on it to open and you'll be taken straight to your Google Keep homepage where all your notes live. You probably have a lot of notes, each containing your thoughts, reminders and to-dos. While it's handy to have them all in one place, it can quickly become overwhelming if they're not organized. At this point, let's tackle the notes sorting part. Since Google Keep does not offer automatic sorting by date, one effective method is to manually reorder your notes by using a simple drag and drop action. You can easily click and drag any note to reorder it. This is particularly useful if you want to bring your latest or most important notes to the top of the list. It might seem a bit manual, but it's a quick fix that helps you gain immediate control over your note arrangement. Just as a tip, if you often find yourself needing to categorize your notes by specific dates, try including the date at the beginning of each note's title. This way, visually sorting them becomes a lot easier. You could structure your dates in the YYYYMMDD format, and voila! This little technique might save you from the shuffle every time. In summary, while Google Keep might not provide automatic date sorting, by using these simple strategies, opening the app from your browser, accessing Google Keep from the app drawer and manually reordering notes, you can effectively organize your thoughts. Remember to make use of note titles for even more clarity. Organizing notes doesn't have to be a chore. With a few tweaks, your Google Keep can be as well ordered as your thoughts. Thanks for joining and happy organizing.